Namaskar. Myself Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you our daily weather briefing program today, that is 2nd May 2022. This is the observed weather during past 24 hours. Heat wave to severe heat wave condition prevailed in most parts over West Rajasthan in isolated pockets over Himachal Pradesh. Heat wave condition in isolated pockets over Vidarbha and East MP. Maximum temperature between 43 to 47 degrees centigrade over most parts of Rajasthan, Vidarbha, Telangana, in some parts over Haryana, Delhi, West Madhya Pradesh, in isolated pockets of East Madhya Pradesh, North Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Gujarat State, Jharkhand, Rayalaseema, Chhattisgarh, and between 40 to 42 degrees centigrade in isolated pockets of northern parts of Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh. This is the synoptic features of today. One cyclone circulation over southeast UP at lower level. One trough runs from northwest Rajasthan to Manipur across South Uttar Pradesh, South Bihar, South Himalayan West Bengal, South Assam at lower tropospheric level. Another trough runs from southeast Madhya Pradesh to interior Tamil Nadu across Rayalaseema, Vidarbha, Telangana. One WD as a trough around over Afghanistan in mid tropospheric levels. And this is the highlight of the presentation. Amendment of heat wave condition over most parts of the country. Thunderstorm very likely over northwest India till 4th May, over East India and southern Peninsula India till 6th May, and over northeast till 3rd May. And formation of low pressure area over South Andaman Sea around 6th May 2022. And the forecast for maximum temperature. Falling maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade very likely over most parts of our northwest India and central India during next 3 days, and rise thereafter. No significant change in maximum temperature over Gujarat, Maharashtra during next 2 days, and rise about 2 degrees centigrade thereafter. And the rest of the country, no significant change during next 5 days. This is the heat wave forecast. Only isolated heat wave likely over West Rajasthan and Saurashtra, especially Kutch during next 24 hours, and abatement thereafter. And at isolated pockets over North Madhya Maharashtra on 4th, 5th, and 6th likely to happen. No other heat wave condition over the country. This is a rainfall thunderstorm due to the southwesterly wind from Bay of Bengal and trough widespread to fairly widespread rainfall by likely over northeast India, including South Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim during next 5 days, with isolated thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind over the region during next 48 hours. With this, isolated heavy rain likely over South Himalayan West Bengal on 2nd, over Arunachal Pradesh on 2nd and 3rd, over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. With this, isolated very heavy also over Assam, Meghalaya, and Tripura on 3rd May. And scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with isolated thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind, very likely over Bihar, Jharkhand, GWB, Odisha during next 5 days. And for northwest India, due to the WD, light to moderate isolated rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning, very likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Balochistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand during next 24 hours. Later on, it is likely to increase with scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with isolated thunderstorm. With this, during 3rd to 6th May, with this isolated hailstorm also likely over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand on 3rd and 4th May 2022. With this isolated light to rainfall with gusty wind, thunderstorm, dust storm, wind speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph will likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan during next 3 days. And due to the trough or wind discontinuity over peninsular India, isolated to scattered rainfall with thunderstorm very likely over Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana during next 5 days. With this isolated heavy rainfall very likely over Kerala, Mahe on 4th May 2022. And due to the formation of cyclone circulation over South Andaman Sea around 4th, due to this, a low pressure is likely to form over the same region around 6th. It is likely to become more marked during subsequent 24 hours. causes heavy rainfall at isolated places, very likely over Andaman Nicobar on 5th, and isolated heavy to very heavy on 6th. With this easterly wind speed 40 to 50, gusty to 60, very likely to prevail over South Andaman Sea and adjoining North Andaman Sea and East Central Arabian Sea on 4th and 5th, and speed wind likely to increase 50 to 60, gusty 70, likely over Andaman Sea adjoining East Central and South East Bay Bengal on 6th May. So fishermen are advised not to venture in this area particular date. And this is the weather warning graphical form. Here you can see heat wave, no heat wave condition likely to prevail during the country during next 5 days, except northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra on 4th and 5th. With this, thunderstorm activity likely to happen over the country, except western part of the country during next 3 days. With this, orange color warning for Bihar and GWB due to the squall 50 to 60 kmph wind, and heavy rainfall activity likely to continue over northeastern state during next 3 days. Later on, it is likely to reduce. And the East India is also likely to experience thunderstorm lightning during next 5 days. For more update, you can visit our website mausam.imd.gov.in, as well as many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog, and mobile app, just Mausam app, Damini app, Meghdoot app. And thank you all of you to listening me. Thank you very much. Namaskar.